That wasn't shit that said y'all. Y'all just boarded and I got somewhere to be.
If you like real police arrest footage, hit subscribe so you don't miss the next one. This officer is on routine patrol when he spots a traffic violation.
We have a black Camry, occupied one time. 58 Timberwall Street. Driver, lower the window! Driver, lower the window! Lower the window all the way down. Morning. How you doing? Great. You understand the reason why I stopped you this morning, man? Okay. You can't. Excuse me? I'm bored. Can you see? Let me see your driver's license. I pulled you over because you came out of Metro West and you crossed the median when you're not supposed to, and there's a sign there that clearly says "Do not enter." Driver's license.
What says do not enter?
Driver's license.
What says do not enter?
Driver's license.
Tell me what says do not enter.
Call 47 Connecticut, a couple for rest.
How you doing too much? I got somewhere.
Driver's license, please.
I don't got it.
From here, the situation quickly escalates. Not producing a driver's license changes everything.
For what?
If you don't listen to my order, I'm going to detain you in handcuffs. Shut off the car now.
Okay, go ahead. I'm pregnant, and I'm pregnant,
Okay,
so you touch
step
me.
on, step on
Please.
now, step on now.
No.
Officers are now giving lawful commands. Police say the driver begins resisting arrest.
Stop resisting. Stop
Y'all better
resisting.
leave me alone.
Stop resisting.
I got her.
Y'all better leave me alone. Because I didn't do nothing.
Seatbelt.
I don't got it.
It's not on, it's not on.
Y'all better leave me alone. Y'all better leave me alone.
Stop resisting. Stop resisting. Stop
Y'all
resisting.
taking me out for what?
Stop resisting.
For what?
Because you're resisting a lawful order.
Resisting for what? I didn't do
Step out of the car,
nothing
step out of the
wrong.
car.
Bro, I'm gonna punch y'all in your face because y'all doing too much. Oh, yeah. Oh, okay. I promise y'all. Because I didn't do nothing.
Stop.
Oh! No, because I didn't do nothing wrong. I don't
Stop resisting. Stop resisting. Stop. Stop resisting.
You're hurting my arm. You're hurting
Stop
my arm.
resisting.
You're hurting my
Stop
arm.
resisting.
Off me!
Now you get charged with resisting with violence.
I'm hurting my arm. I'm pregnant.
Stop. Stop.
You
Stop.
guys
Stop. Stop resisting. Stop. Stop. Stop resisting.
let me
Stop.
I will tase your f***ing. So step the f*** back.
No!
Stop resisting.
Hey,
listen. Stop resisting.
Sit in your f***ing face.
Do it.
No.
Stop. Stay back. No!
I don't
tease you too.
Let me down! Let me go! You guys are gonna get... Let go of my leg! I can walk!
Stop
Let go of my leg!
Stop.
Let go of my leg! I can walk! Let go of my leg! I can walk!
Stop
Let go.
resisting. Stop.
Why y'all holding me like
Stop
this?
resisting.
Let go of my leg! I can fucking walk!
Stop.
Let go of my leg! Let go of my fucking leg! I can walk!
Stop.
Hey, you guys are
Stop.
fucking pushing on my
Stop.
stomach! Let go
Stop.
of my leg! I can fucking walk!
Stop.
Let go of my leg!
Stop.
I can walk!
Wait.
3703, you guys want a 43?
No. You're 10-4. We have
Let go of my arm!
You know, these two more.
Let go of my arm!
Stop.
You guys are not
Stop.
listening. If I spit on y'all, I
You're not
will
listening.
even- Let
You
go
spit on
of
us,
my
you get
arm.
charged with battery on law enforcement
I don't
officer. Stop.
10 Raleigh Street.
Stop. You cause all these problems.
care.
Stop. Stop.
Let go of me.
Stop. You cause all these problems.
You did. You
Stop.
did, bitch. You did.
No.
Don't hurt my stomach.
The driver claims she is pregnant as officers attempt to detain her.
I did this. Stop moving
No,
around.
you let me fucking
Stop.
go.
Stop spitting my-
You
I'm
let
not
me
trying to spit in my
fucking
face.
go. You let me fucking
trying to
go.
spit in my face.
I
No.
don't give a I
Stop.
feel all of you bitches. Let me go.
Traffic stops. You had an attitude. Didn't want to comply to the order.
I don't care. I don't have my license. I just came from home.
Well, you know what? You would have had a simple verbal warning had you not
let me
showed
go.
your attitude.
I don't care.
Too bad. You're going to jail now.
I'm not going nowhere.
Yeah, you are.
I'm going to
No,
bed.
you're going to jail.
Damn.
Stop. Well, shake.
Okay, let go of me. Yeah, my stomach. I'm telling you not fucking time. Damn. Y'all hurting my fucking stomach and y'all not fucking listening. Let me get my tissue.
on the other side for cross.
Stop. Stop. Stop.
You think,
Stop. Stop. If you know you're pregnant, stop.
Okay, what is that? You touch me, you stupid bitch! Let me go! Let me go!
I'm going to show you.
Let me go!
What started as a traffic stop is now a full arrest.
You belted in?
I think you're in the car.
Give her a minute.
Yeah, you guys will follow if you take her. She's claiming she's pregnant. Oh, wait.
Stop kicking the back of my car.
I need to go!
Well, you're going to jail now. Yes, you are. And if you fight in jail, they're going to safe book you. I know you don't. Simple traffic stop.
That's 24 hours.
Oh, simple traffic stop. She got the attitude. She starts fighting. I don't, you got nothing better to do. Blah, blah, blah. She's threatening. Yeah. We're going to tow that car.
I have to be at my doctor's appointment.
Well, then you should have thought about that before you got that
I
attitude.
didn't do anything wrong.
Yes, you did.
Didn't do nothing wrong. I crossed the thing and I put my sticker on everything.
There's a sign that says clearly do not pass it. Right there. You can fight it in court.
You ain't doesn't say that. I said that nowhere.
Yeah, it does.
No, it did not. I
Yes, it
made a
doesn't.
U-turn. I made a U-turn.
No, you didn't, man, because I saw you. I saw you from where I was at. That's why I pulled you over.
Right there.
No, you didn't.
What did I do then?
You crossed through the median and you went through the lane that you're not supposed to.
What lane did I not go? Wait.
You came out of Metro Place and you went straight ahead.
I don't want to, but I need to go. I don't want to be
If you don't stop acting, you're gonna be problem.
Okay, we're going to go. I don't want to, but I need to go. I don't want to be there.
Hold on. That's going around. Just shut the door for now. Shut the door. She's not getting it. It's fine.
I just didn't want her to kick me.
She's not screaming now. Just go ahead and shut this door.
Okay.
She's calling her.
What's your name?
Yeah, she's.
Okay.
But I didn't. I just literally made a U-turn.
You didn't make a U-turn. You did not make a U-turn, ma'am. Yes, you did. And you know what? And had you not had the attitude, we wouldn't be here. Not only did I see you come out, you don't have a valid driver's license.
I have one.
You told me you did it.
I have it on my phone. I don't have it with me. I'm in a restaurant to my
Well, then
appointment.
all you had to do
And I don't have it.
All you had to do.
I have it on my phone.
All you had to do is comply. All you had to do.
I did it.
No, you threatened to spit in an officer's face, and you fought with resistance. Are you gonna give me your information? Are you gonna give me your information?
S-E-N-G-Y.
It's a traffic stop. All you had to do is give me your ID. She's got the attitude.
Calm down, okay? I understand that you're scared, but listen, it's okay, because you're doing too late. You're doing wrong. Let me call your mama to come get your car, okay?
Could you do me a supplement because I'm gonna charge you resisting with violence. Are you gonna give me your first name, ma'am?
I just told you guys.
Oh no, I'm the arresting officer. I need it. What is your first name?
Can she tell you it's on my phone?
No,
I have all my
you can tell me. You have a mouth. You can tell.
already ruined
Then I would charge you as Jane Doe. Okay, I will book you in as Jane Doe. Do you know her information?
I don't. I just sit around.
Okay.
Can I talk to you?
No, I'm the arresting officer.
Please.
It's alright.
Can I talk to him? I don't want to talk
Are you
to
done
him.
here, ma'am?
Please.
Are you done?
Sean.
You gotta calm down.
We're getting. I know.
I can help you.
She's getting booked in as Jane Doe.
Just wait a minute so she can get the rest of this stuff.
She wants to fight and say she's going to spit on officers. I'm not playing this game anymore. We're not doing this. I pulled you over on a valid traffic stop. You want to start this? We're not doing this.
Listen, you gotta calm down.
Car on the floor.
We're trying to
Phone
get
will
it
probably
You
end up.
gotta calm down, okay? So I can help you, okay?
So where is it?
In my car, I believe on the floor.
Passenger or driver side?
Driver's out of the
Does she have a person there?
Do you have a purse?
Yes.
Where's that?
I have my stuff in there.
I want her out of here before family starts showing up
All right.
because they've already been called.
We should have left already.
Well,
This way.
we're trying to get the car situated.
I'm gonna pull up next to him so people stop driving right here real quick.
Just give him room to get out. Just pull up right about there. You guys good? So we can get. So they can go. I need these cars moving.
Okay. I'm gonna move your car.
Who's gonna keep the keys? Huh? Who's gonna keep the keys for the car?
It's Cindy. Just tell him I'm at the Wawa and.
All right, Sean, go ahead and go.
If my dude comes, can he pick up my car?
That's what
That's what we're trying to facilitate for
Stay
you.
right there. We're not trying not to
Do you require medical assistance? I take that as a no.
In the end, 25-year-old Cindy was charged with battery on a law enforcement officer, resisting an officer with violence, and assault on a law enforcement officer. She later pled no contest to battery on a law enforcement officer, and her adjudication was withheld. She was sentenced to 24 months of supervised probation. She was also ordered to complete an anger management class, write a letter of apology to the officer, and complete 60 hours of community service. After failing to pay the fines associated with these charges and other traffic citations, she was placed on a payment plan and her license was suspended.
For more real police encounters and arrest footage, subscribe to the channel.